Remove the drive wheel. Remove these 2 screws. Remove the side panel. On the other side, remove this screw. Remove the drum panel, with the geared wheel of the shutter. Separate the 2 halves of the unit, developer unit, and drum unit. Be careful, the developer unit contains the toner carrier. Do not shake or overturn it. Remove the white pin of the drum. Remove the drum. Remove the black plastic pin. Remove the charge roller support with its spring. Remove the charge roller. Remove the cleaning roller. Remove the 2 screws of the wiper blade. Remove the old wiper blade. Be careful not to damage the recovery blade that is located next to the wiper blade. Anytime you see these blades warped or coming loose, it is time to replace them. Clean out all the waste toner. If possible, use a toner workstation. Do not breathe the toner dust. Lubricate the edge of the blade with toner, or it could damage the drum. Do not use old toner, there may be carrier in it that could damage drum and blade. Use toner out of the bottle. Install the new wiper blade with the 2 screws. Clean the charge roller with water. The charge roller places the initial charge on the drum, as well as erases the residual charge at the end of the cycle. Reinstall the cleaning roller. Reinstall the charge roller with its support. The spring must be in this position. Reinstall the black pin. Install the new drum. Reinstall the white pin. Lubricate the drum with toner. Turn the drum by hand several times, to make sure it doesn't flip the blade. Be careful, the light may damage the drum. Install the drum section over the developer section. Reinstall the side panel with the 2 screws. Reinstall the side plastic part. Check if the shutter gear is in the correct position. Reinstall the screw. Insert the drive gear. And the work is done. For any problem with the cartridge, in the description of this video you'll find a link to a troubleshooting guide.